even put any on my face yet and already glitter is everywhere. Oh, I have some on my lips also, like on my chin, in my hair. Glitter everywhere. Okay? I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Hi guys, it's Beige. It's time for Christmas looks. I'm starting off with this rather classic holiday look with gold eye and red lip. Although I did start to lose it in the middle when I was applying the glitter, because you know, it's a force that we should not mess with and it's going to take over the universe soon. If you would like to see how I created this look, please keep watching. I'm going to start with a primer. I'm going to add a full coverage foundation and I'm going to add it with a sponge. So I chose to do quite a matte foundation because everything else is going to be really shiny. But I still want a nice glow on my cheeks, so I'm going to use cream highlight. And this one's quite strong. So after I apply it, I will just switch to the other side of the sponge and just blend it into the foundation. I'm also going to add some to the Cupid's bow. And I'm going to add it to the nose as well, just to the top and blend it. And the same with the bridge of the nose. Just don't put too much here because this can look very bad very quickly if you add too much. I'm just going to use the contouring shade and I'm going to go on the nose just to contour slightly. And I'm also going to add slight contour to my cheek with this. Now I'm going to add some under eye concealer. I'm going to take that concealer and blend it into my highlight. And this one's quite brightening as well, so I'm going to go in to the inner corner and just brighten up that little area. Now I'm going to powder the whole face. I want to quite a matte look to the face for this. So I'm going to powder everywhere, even on top of my contouring. Translucent powder should not move this powder that's already there. If you press it in, it shouldn't move anything. So you can still see the glow from the highlight, but it's very subtle just because I'm going to have glitter on the eyes as well. And also the lips are going to be shiny, so I don't want another shiny place on my face. I'm going to use eyeshadow primer. I'm going to take it through the whole eye, and if you want you can add some underneath as well. It all depends if your under eyes are creasing. So I'm going to be working with this palette, and the first eyeshadow I'm choosing is this one. It's like a rusty brown color. And I'm adding that close to the lash line. So we're going to add gold on top of this. So most of this is going to be covered. So you don't need to worry about applying this neatly. You just need to add it in between the lashes. That's the most important. Also, I'm going to add it underneath the eye, and we're going to create our shape from here. So now we look crazy, not at all Christmassy, but just okay. I'm just going to create my shape, and I want like a winged liner with a shadow. Okay, now I'm going to take this gold shade and we're going to apply it on top. So I'm going to apply it on top of that eyeshadow, just all over the eye. And I'm adding it on top of that eyeshadow as well on the top lash line. So just make sure you blend it up. So this gold should kind of disappear into nothing on the eye. It's just kind of up to the brow even. So straight away this looks 1,000 times better. I'm going to add it on the bottom as well. This creates a very interesting shade. Right, I'm going to take this gold as well. And I'm using the same brush, but I'm just going to add it on the outside corner just for definition, and it instantly makes it more gold. Okay, so I must be insane because I'm going to add some glitter and it's already in my hair and I didn't even open the pot yet. I am going to do this for Christmas and everybody who wants to see 5,000 particles of glitter flying around. So I'm going to use gold glitter and I'm going to use this tissue to protect myself, which will probably not work. So I'm just picking up a couple of glitters on my brush and I'm just going to place them onto the eye. Just creates beautiful scattered look. See, glitter is all over my face anyways, so tissue is useless. Abort that idea. It never works. I don't know why I keep doing it. Now I want to add this glitter, which is kind of greenish gold. So this is the first one I used and this is the one I'm using now. And this is going to bring out that greenish gold that we put on the eyes. So this one is more of a greenish gold and this one is more of a truer gold. So this one's what we have on the whole lid and this one's what we have on the outer corner. So this eye has only the gold one, but if I add the greenish gold as well, it just starts to look better. And since I already have so much glitter on me and kind of start to feel like a Christmas tree, I thought I will just complete the transition. Yes, I am insane, but this will actually make you look like a Christmas tree. If that's what you're going for, which I am going for Christmas tree, apparently. And notice how I'm only adding the glitters in this area. I'm not adding anything right here on the outer corner, just because I don't want to lose that definition that's there. And also, I'm already looking crazy, so I don't want to add to that. And now I'm deeply regretting that I have done my foundation already. I'm just gonna take a spoolie and flick off as much as possible of this glitter. So I got as much glitter off as I could. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Every time I blink, I'm gonna get more. Just going to curl my lashes. I'm going to add mascara. So I just added some demi-wispies to the eyes as well. I thought they will nicely accentuate the outer corners. I'm going to add the lips before I do anything else. So I'm adding red. So now, since I have my shape, I'm going to use the other side. And this is a gloss and also makes the wear much more comfortable. And yes, I did overdrew my lips a lot, but it's because I really have no explanation for this. I just like it. Everybody do whatever you want and draw your lips as big as you want. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Just gonna add a couple of hairs, but in a quite natural way. So the eyebrow is a bit bigger, but it's not going to be like massively overdrawn. And if you feel like you need some blush, you can add some as well, but I would just add it quite naturally, just like a flash to the cheek. Also, you don't want too much because this whole look is a lot. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, some more holiday looks and New Year's Eve looks, please subscribe to my channel.